everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the audio for your Xbox One game and party chat to come through your TV speakers and headset at the same time. Now to do this, you can go up to Settings, then go to General, and go to the right and go to Volume and Audio Output right here. Then go to Additional Options. Now under here, we want to go to where it says Mute Speaker Audio when headset is attached. So if we have a headset turned on, we can simply uncheck mark this. And then we can go to the right and we can go to Party Chat Output 2. And there is an option here for headset and speakers. So if we do this, we should be able to get the audio through our headset and TV speakers at the same time. So just go ahead and uncheck mark right here and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.